So Diane, that was all about you work-wise. Let's talk about you outside of work.
Well, when I'm not here, I'm usually out on my mountain bike and I'm shredding the gnar on a lot of local mountain bike courses. I like to do a lot of things with adventures with REMAX.
Podium on the mountain bike?
I podiumed once on a mountain bike.
Stud. All right, Mark Deering here from REMAX doing another community spotlight. Today we've got Diane Miller. How you doing, Diane?
Hi, good to see you.
Good to see you. So we got Knapp Industrial Group. She's a great friend of ours. I thought we'd come over and do a quick community spotlight. Diane, tell us a little bit about the history.
Knapp started in 2008 by Bob Naparalski, and Bob had another company on the northwest side of Grand Rapids. And in 2008, the economy was kind of slow, and Bob decided he wanted to start another company and bring jobs to West Michigan. So we started by purchasing a company out of California that sold auto repair products. So that's like floor mats and car seat covers and disposable steering wheel covers, products basically that repair shops use. And moved that to Grand Rapids and started to sell that. And one of the products that we sold was a bag of 25 brass tacks. And we started to get customers to call us and say, can you put numbers or letters or engrave on those? And we didn't at the time. And Bob, being an entrepreneur, said we should do that. So we purchased a little desktop engraver and started to do that. Well, that turned into a whole nother business that we just didn't even imagine. And so we started to buy more and more equipment and punching our own tags and cutting our own metal and plastic. And we thought about what else can we make with this equipment. And so we started to make office name badges and name plates and office signs, which rolled into the ADA compliant signs. And so now we UV print ADA signs with Braille. So it's really evolved, and with all the equipment we have now, it's endless, all the products that we can make.
Sure. And you went from I seen the other location. This is a brand new facility. We'll take you on a tour here in a minute. This is amazing. This is huge. So you obviously have grown quite a bit.
Right, we started with 7 employees in 2008. We have 20 now. Our facility was 9,000 square feet, and we built this in 2018, and it's 25,000 square feet. So we have lots of room to add equipment and product and just keep growing.
It's huge. Wait till we check it out. All right, Diane, now we're over in the office area. Tell us about the different departments you've got here.
Up front in the offices, we have sales and customer service reps, and we do pride ourselves on when you call, you get a person and you talk to a person.
I like that.
A lot of our customers like that. We also have purchasing up front here and Amazon. So we sell a lot on Amazon FBA or Amazon Prime, as most people are used to.
Sure.
And so up front here, it makes sure that all of our products are continually stocked on Amazon for Amazon Prime. Kelly handles a couple of our websites and also does all our social media. So
let's take a look in the warehouse.
So our warehouse production area is kind of set up into stations, and this is our vinyl station. This is our latest and greatest equipment that we have here. We had customers that started to request and ask if we did vinyl. So we have a large scale vinyl printer and a laminator and a light table to roll out so we can do vinyl on large acrylic signs. Okay, as we move over here, we call it our bat cave. This is actually a dark room where we produce, in the industry it's called metal photo, but we call it Alumituff. And so Alumituff is our most durable product. And these products will be out in salt water or sun and solar panels, and they'll last forever. 20 plus years.
Wow.
So most durable. Over here is our first introduction to putting color on metal. So what Ben is working on here is sublimation. So we print with special ink and special paper, and then Ben tapes the metal onto the paper and then puts it in the heat press. The heat press turns the ink into a gas, and then it fuses with the metal. So they're super durable, super tough. It won't scratch off. Over at this station, Neil is our warehouse production manager.
How are you? Good, how you doing?
And Neil does laser engraving and rotary engraving of metal and plastic, brass, aluminum, copper. So this is our UV printing station. This is another new printer we've just gotten in the last few months. So this does full color UV printing on metal and plastic.
That is so cool.
So it layers it on there. And what's great about UV printing is the UV lights immediately cure the ink. So as soon as it's done, we can package these and ship them out.
Wow.
We do a lot of name badges, name plates, and our whole line of ADA signs are done on the UV printers. Over in this station, we do laser engraving and cutting of stainless steel. So kind of one of our claim to fames is that we can do 1/8 inch stainless steel, which is kind of hard to find in the industry. So we can cut it and engrave up to 1/8 inch stainless steel.
We gotta get a video of this
Yeah.
mustache guy here.
It's Big Mac.
This is Big Mac.
Yep, so this is the Big Mac, and this is a 6-head punch press. Again, this can punch up to 1/8 inch stainless steel. We do stainless steel, aluminum, brass, copper. This is cutting out and engraving plastic. So the laser will remove the top coating and leave the words in the color that's beneath it. So this is white over black plastic. And that's a Fusion laser engraver. We have a large scale CNC that cuts out acrylic. We do the ADA signs on large sheets, and then the CNC will cut them out into individual signs. So see, Audrey's doing,
Hi.
these are over the cube. So,
Oh, nice.
so
Custom
on
width.
on the bender, yep. So bend it, and then puts with adhesive, puts on the nameplate holder.
And you obviously can get them in different colors, black.
Yep,
And,
black,
okay.
silver, gold. We actually have a whole line of orange, blue
Okay.
holders too that we had custom made for us.
Well, thanks Diane for taking us on this quick tour. That was amazing. I've been back there before, but I didn't realize what all those machines did, so that was really cool. Tell everybody how they can find different tags or where they can find information on you.
Well, you can visit knappindustrialgroup.com. That's our landing website, and when you go there, it branches off to all our other sites. So our Knapp Supply site for auto supplies, and Knapp tags for tags, and Knapp nameplates for office nameplates, and also Knapp ADA signs for all the ADA compliant Braille signs.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for coming out.
Yes, thanks. Oh boy.
Oops. This is why we don't let you in the warehouse, Mark.
Break it, you buy it.